What does it really mean to work in health and social care? Is it simply about providing care, completing tasks, and following procedures? Actually, it's much more than that. At the heart of health and social care is a person. Someone with their own life, experiences, choices, strengths, challenges, relationships, and goals. And understanding how to support that person safely, respectfully, and professionally is one of the most important foundations of working in care. Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome to Introduction to Health and Social Care. The Essentials, a free, bite-sized course from Common Impact eLearning. Whether you're considering a career in care, starting your first support role, already working in health and social care, or simply want to understand what good care looks like, this course is designed to give you a practical starting point. It's particularly useful if you're working or planning to work in supported living, supported accommodation, or other adult social care settings. And if you're completely new to the sector, that's absolutely fine. You don't need previous experience to get started. During this free course, we'll introduce you to some of the fundamental principles behind good health and social care. We'll look at what health and social care actually means and the different types of services people may access. We'll explore the role and responsibilities of care and support workers. You'll discover why person-centered care is so important and why supporting a person isn't simply about completing a list of tasks. We'll introduce key principles including dignity, respect, choice, independence, safety, communication, equality and inclusion, and professional responsibility. We'll also introduce safeguarding, confidentiality, professional boundaries, and duty of care, all areas that form an important part of working safely and effectively within the care sector. But this isn't designed to be a course where you simply sit back and watch a video. You'll be asked to think, interact, and make decisions. You'll encounter workplace scenarios. You'll complete knowledge checks. You'll use interactive activities and matching exercises. You'll test your understanding with different question types. And you'll meet ACE, your learning companion, who will help you understand your answers, provide feedback, and encourage you throughout the course. Because knowing the definition of a principle is one thing, understanding how to apply it when you're supporting a real person is something else. If you're working in supported living or supported accommodation, you'll recognize many of the situations we explore: supporting someone to develop independent living skills, helping someone make choices, respecting someone's privacy and dignity, recognizing when something doesn't feel right, knowing when a concern needs to be reported, communicating professionally, maintaining appropriate boundaries, and understanding when your responsibility goes beyond simply completing the task in front of you. These are the foundations of good support. The health and social care sector relies on people who understand not only what they are doing, but why they are doing it. Good knowledge can help you make better decisions. Better decisions can help protect people's safety, dignity, and well-being. And confident, knowledgeable workers can make a real difference to the people they support. That's why getting the foundations right matters. The course you're about to start is designed as an introduction. It won't attempt to teach you everything there is to know about health and social care in one short course, and that's intentional. Instead, it gives you a solid foundation and lets you experience the type of practical, interactive learning available through Common Impact eLearning. You'll finish with a better understanding of the sector, the principles behind good care, and the responsibilities that come with working with people.